Hey, if you're here, you're already ahead of 99% of book brands. Most people say we should get on TikTok and then nothing happens. All right, some quick context. TikTok Shop is not just another sales channel like Amazon. Amazon is search driven. People come with a buying intent. TikTok is word of mouth at scale. It's strangers talking about your book in a never-ending chat group. The game on TikTok is about volume. Volume of your hooks, volume of your creatives, and volume of your creators. You break through the noise by systematically stacking shots on goal, not hoping for a miracle post. This training is built to take you from, I don't know where to start, to, I know exactly what I need to do next. We've laid it out in 3 phases. Phase 1 will reset how you think about TikTok, not as a catalog, but as a word of mouth engine for your business, for your brand. Phase 2, the conversion machine. You'll learn all the numbers around margins, break even, and what a healthy business looks like. And finally, phase 3, launch. How TikTok Shop dynamics actually work during launch. Our responsibility in this program is to make a clear and simple path for you to follow. Your job is simply to walk it. If you do that, this won't be just another online course you did where you got no results from. It will be the moment that you turn TikTok Shop from a buzzword into a real growth engine for your books and for your Amazon sales. Let's go to work.